Alright, class. Let's dive into one of the most powerful features of the C language. If you've ever felt frustrated because you didn't know how big an array should be before you ran your code, this is the solution for you. Here is dynamic memory allocation in C. Slide 1. Introduction to DMA. Think of static memory like a reserved seat at a theater. Once you're there, you can't easily move or add more seats. Dynamic memory allocation, DMA, however, allows us to request memory during runtime. Flexibility. You get exactly what you need when you need it. Efficiency. It prevents memory wastage where you allocate too much and memory shortage where you allocate too little. The location. This all happens in a specific part of the system memory called the heap. The requirement. To use these tools, always remember to include #include >stdlib.h greater than at the top of your program. Slide 2. Malloc and calloc. In C, we have two primary ways to ask for memory. 1. Malloc. Memory allocation. It allocates one single large block of memory. The catch. It doesn't clean up after itself. It leaves whatever garbage values were previously in that memory spot. It's fast but a bit messy. 2. Calloc. Contiguous allocation. It allocates multiple blocks of memory. The benefit. It automatically initializes all memory to 0. Key takeaway. Use malloc for speed. Use calloc if you want a clean slate without garbage values. Slide 3. Realloc. What happens if you realize halfway through your program that your bucket of memory is too small? You use realloc. Resizing. This function allows you to increase or decrease the size of an existing memory block. Example. If you originally asked for space for 5 integers but suddenly have 10 integers to store, realloc expands that space for you without losing your existing data. This makes your programs incredibly adaptive to user input. Slide 4. Free and conclusion. This is the most important slide for one reason: responsibility. Unlike some modern languages that clean up automatically, C expects you to be a good citizen. When you're done with memory, you must use free. Why free? If you don't release memory, you get a memory leak. The result: your program slowly eats up all the RAM, eventually causing it to slow down or crash. Quick summary. Malloc. Give me memory. Calloc. Give me clean memory. Realloc. Give me more or less memory. Free. Take the memory back. Master these 4 functions, and you'll be able to build complex professional-grade applications that manage data like a pro. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next session.